made by the HNLC. It said that it had definite information about his having funded the organization when he was Deputy CM in the Congress regime. Now, as spokesperson of MBA2, I am not privy to any information of what happened during the Congress regime. I had never been in the Congress nor in the HNLC. So it's for you to find out from Lyngdoh, because they repeatedly said that he was a major contributor to their coffers when he was in the Congress. Probably Vincent Pala can throw more light on that matter.
But then at the current juncture, there is a demand from the VPP for a probe and also to keep him away from the cabinet.
I don't see anything wrong in that, but these probes are based on some substantive matter, which would then, because they are very important bodies who will not generally waste time, to go for witch hunting. If there is substance enough, they'll take up the case with or without any political party flagging that matter.